ever felt that organizational meetings waste so much of time and energy? So in this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas which will help you to run organizational meetings very effectively. Before we move on, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. There are so many man-hours which are lost in organizational meetings, and when I'm saying organizations, it's across the board, public sector, private sector, and MNCs everywhere. Lots of time and energy is lost. So what is it that you can do to run your meetings effectively? Here are some ideas. First one is always have an agenda for a meeting and let that agenda be shared at least 24 hours in advance before the meeting starts. What I have experienced is meetings happen without any agenda. People come without any idea as to what's likely to happen in this meeting. And obviously, since they do not have any clue, and perhaps many times not so much in advance, so they don't have much to contribute at that place. So always drive meetings with an agenda. Subsequent point that comes, which is connected here, is always have your preparation before you come to the meeting. Since you have your agenda ready and now you know how you can contribute to that meeting, contribute to the theme of that meeting, so come prepared. Do not run helter and skelter just before the meeting to get information, get data. Be prepared in advance so that you can avoid last minute rush. And that will definitely show up the way you present yourself in the meeting. Third important idea is be in time. At least 5 minutes before the time you need to be there for the meeting, and make it mandatory for everyone to honor this. When we respect collective time, that is when we respect the contributions which are being made by the people. So always make sure that you are there in time, and also make sure that people are made to come into this practice of attending the meetings in time. The next point is, which is connected to the previous one, always start and finish meetings in time. If you say that meeting has to start at 10:30, make sure that it starts at 10:30. And finishing in time, how do you know that what time it's going to finish? Before you start the meeting, in fact, within the agenda, within the notice which is being sent to people, inform them how long is this meeting likely to run, and make sure that it gets over within that time. Otherwise, plans of people which have been made after the meeting gets over, they will go haywire, and it's not going to help anyone. In fact, let's imagine that a very important client meeting has been fixed after that, and this meeting is not getting over in time. How will it impact the whole show further? So start and finish the meetings in time. The next important point is make sure there are no distractions. Distractions take a lot of focus away from the meeting. And when I'm saying distractions, they can be distractions of any kind. People walking in, smartphone usage, and things like that. So make sure that people are not distracted. In fact, in many meetings, people are more busy in sending or attending to their smartphones rather than what is being discussed there. Why does it happen? Because the focus is getting lost in driving the meeting itself. So make sure there are no distractions. And the last point is, whenever anyone is expressing, anyone is contributing, anyone is sharing something, this has to be ensured that it's a very focused kind of expression. They remain to the point. They do not go here and there in terms of their expressions. They express very, very clearly about the theme of the meeting and about the contribution that they can make, rather than not being able to connect the dots rightly. So when you take care of these 6 points that I've shared with you, I'm sure you'll be able to save a lot of time, your own time, lot of collective time, and lot of organizational energy, which otherwise is likely to get lost in meetings which are not driven very effectively.